The sour ones suck, dude. Dang. Hold on. Good. It was fun. We made tarp walls. I felt good. I got my rain pants. Didn't get a drop. Guys,
Having an existential crisis because it's past midnight. Welcome.
to the first day of the boys' breakfast. We have our portable stove that we know how to use. I did that with Weston one time in Birch Bay. Yeah.
How's the breakfast going?
It's pretty good.
Where are we going, Justin?
To the lake. We're gonna go swim. We're gonna go for a little swim.
We're gonna go for a quick little swim in the morning.
It's, the rain's dying down a little bit, so gotta stay wet somehow.
Yeah.
I don't really like being dry. It's, I prefer to be like wet and miserable and cold. So
Yeah, that's what Mr. Credit said. Like citrus.
Running from yourself now, getting what you're told. Never let your guard down, anywhere you go. In the right place, at the right time.
What'd you do?
It's no use thinking through the phone.
You told us we were all gonna die from cancer. Yeah. Welcome to our tent tour. This is the kind of sketchy side of the tent.
Didn't really work. There's still puddles in the tent, but
Yeah.
nobody got soaked except for Adam's jacket.
And your blanket.
Since our ground here is on moss, me and Justin in the pitch black had to tie like a cord.
That's true.
So we could, instead of staking down the tent.
and we got Justin, Carter, Austin, Matthias, Adam, and then Adam has his own puddle at the end over there. But hey, it works. Home sweet home.
Make all the food here, all breakfast this morning. The fire, the chairs are a little wet.
It's never enough, never enough, never enough, never enough, never enough, it's never enough.
I'm gonna tie this to this
Dude,
and carve something on it.
it's gonna be so sick. What the?
Dude, this milk is so good.
Bro, really? Bro? You might want to turn that around.
Oh no!
Evil milk! Still in my way.
Dude, camera, kill this.
Welcome to Camp Penis.
Camp penis.
So we pretty much lost Adam and Austin.
We officially lost Adam and Austin. Correct. But we found a waterfall.
It was
so
sick.
That was, kind of worth it.
Yeah, bro, imagine that. We're on the play. Are you videoing this?
Guys, we got blue sky.
But the top guitar like the singers do.
This is the first time seeing blue sky, I think, the whole trip. Dude, those trees have been scaring me all day. They look like...
Oh, yeah. I like that.
How single are you?
Your sights all.
He goes, yeah, no, you can't cook your burger that much. That's glamping.
I like
burgers. I
the...
like cooking.
If you're not in it for love of the game, just say that.
I can cook my burgers the way I want my burgers
There's no
cooked.
disrespect, To each their own.
I'm not eating a grease ball.
We just got everything packed up. And we're gonna head to the lake and then leave.
Yeah.
Bye.